sand flea thingies. And I can't seem to find them anymore. There's nothing down here. They look like little round shells. You know what I'm talking about? Little sand crabs. I forget what they're called. We used to catch them and put them in aquariums. I mean, technically, I guess they were crabs. But, you know, they couldn't pinch you or anything. Oh well. Alright, let's go back out, huh? Get while the getting's good. I think the rain has died down. Oh man, look at this. That'd have been a nice little one to ride in. Oh!